Hello, my dear family members. I hope all of you are preparing well for your upcoming Virtusa exam, upcoming Zoho exam, upcoming onboarding, upcoming on campus, upcoming off campus. So today, what I have planned that many of you have asked me to upload videos regarding Virtusa, upload regarding Zoho. So that's why I planned to upload Virtusa coding questions which was asked recently in the latest drive. So let's see the important coding questions which was asked recently. So before that, guys, if you have not subscribed this channel yet, then please do subscribe because this motivates me to make more content so that I'll be upload more content as well. Okay, so let me share what was the question. That is, remove the duplicate from an array. Okay, this was the question, but this is the gist. Okay, remove the duplicate from an array. Okay, so basically this looks very easy, but still it was easy. But what happened in exam, the question will be very lengthy, and after watching the question, student gets confused and they don't know what's the gist of the question. So if you get to know what's the gist of the question, then you will easily solve the problem. Okay, if you have a basic understanding of coding. So I hope you now understand what's the task. So let me show you the sample input so that you can solve the problem easily. So if the sample input is this 1 2 2 3 4 4 5, then as you can see here, 2 and 2 are duplicate, 4 and 4 are duplicate. So one duplicate value, or just leave one value and remove all the duplicate. Okay, so 2 should be removed, 4 should be removed, 1 4 should be removed, and rest of the elements should be kept as it is. So 1 2 3 4 5 should be the output. Okay, so if I entered 4 1 1 4 again, then the same output should be returned. Okay, so I hope you understood the task, right? So if you understood, then please start solving the problem by yourself. If can't, then only watch the video. Okay, and guys, if you want the Virtusa solutions, Virtusa resources, Zoho resources, then please visit topment.io/techno_uweb. There you can get all the materials at very lowest price, and like within very few moments you will get all this in your hand. Okay, so please have that opportunity and get your dream job. Okay, so let me share the solutions in Python at first. So actually I have used this logic. You can use your logic as well. So if your code is more efficient, then please comment down. I'll love it and I'll pin that comment in the comment. Okay, so what I have done, that is, so at first I have taken the input from, like, it was hard coded, not from the user. You can take it from user. Okay, and output array is equal to the function I have called, and it is returning the array. Okay, the array will be printed here. Okay, so this will store the array what it is returning. Okay, so let me check the function. What's the implementation? It is taking one array as input, and then we have initialized one empty list which will store only unique values. Okay, so what will be the function of it? Let me just show you. That is, for num in array, so what we are doing, let's say this is the array, right? So from this element to this element will hover all the elements, right? So for num in array, so this num will store all the elements at each iteration. And then we are checking a condition. We are giving one if condition, that is, if this num not in unique elements. So what we are doing, we are checking if that correct that particular element is already existing inside this array or inside this list or not. So if it is not existing inside this array or inside this element, then only unique elements, this unique elements list dot append this number. Okay, if it is not present, then only append that element inside this list. Okay, that means at the end. So this way we are just appending the only unique values. So let's say the current flow is here, and after that the next element is it, right? So it will check if the current num, that is 2, is not in the unique elements. So it will get false, right? Because already 2 is present, so it will get false, and it will just skip this if condition and go for the next element, that is 3, right? So I hope you understood. So at the end of the for loop, it will return the unique elements, this list, and this will be printed. Okay, so I hope you understood. So let me run the code. Okay, so as you can see, 1 2 2 3 4 4 5 and only unique values are being printed. Okay, so if I just add one more 4 here, and it should return the same 1 2 3 4 5, nothing should be changed. Okay, but if I change 2 3 4 4 5, so it will return 2 3 4 5 only. Okay, so I hope you understood. All the unique values are printed and all the duplicates are removed, right? So if you understood, guys, then please do like this video and please subscribe this channel so that I'll be motivated to make more content, and please share this content with your friend and like show your big heart. Okay, so let me show you the solutions in Java. So the same logic almost will be implemented here. So here just we have implemented one list, nothing else. So in the main function, what we have done, that is we have hard coded the input, then we have initialized one list. Okay, so list, and this is integer type list, and it is being implemented by this function remove. So this will actually return a list, okay, and that list will be printed the same way we have done in Python, right? So it will return the list. So remove duplicates, let me just show the implementation. So remove duplicate, this is the function, and it's taking an array as arguments, and the return type is list integer type. Okay, so here it will store the unique elements. This list will store the unique elements, right? So at first this is empty, so this will store only unique elements. So the same way we have done in Python, here also we are going through all the element of the array. Okay, so for int num is to array, so this num will store a single value at each time when the for loop is hovering, right? So so it will check. Now this if condition will check if unique elements dot contains num not. So if it is not containing this num element, if it is already existing, so this contains inbuilt function which is inside this unique elements list. So this is the contains is the inbuilt function inside the list interface, and also add is the inbuilt function inside the list interface. So it takes only one integer. This also takes one integer, which will this contents will return true or false. Okay, and this add will just add that particular number digit or the integer inside this list. Okay, so it will check if this is not containing, if this number is not being contained, then it like unique elements dot add num will just add that number inside this unique elements, nothing else. So after the for loop end of the for loop, it will return only unique elements and nothing else. So the same way as Python. So but just remember, this should be imported because we are using list and array list. Okay, so let me just run it for you so that it will be better for you. So as you can see, 1 2 3 4 5, these are the input, these are the unique elements. So now let me just change this 2 3 4 4 5, so it should return 2 3 4 5 only, right? So please let me run it, and as you can see, 2 3 4 5 is the output. Okay, so this was actually a very easy questions, but just remember one thing, you will get a very lengthy questions. Just you have to figure out that the gist of the question is remove the duplicate elements inside the array. Okay, so I hope you understood. So guys, please do subscribe this channel, and please wait for the next content, and please comment down which content do you want more, so that I'll give importance to your comment and I'll upload that content. Okay, and guys, if you want the materials, then please visit topmethod.com/techno_uf. The link will be given in the description box. And the best thing is that, guys, you can choose the plan victory or plan Lord, so that you can get 25 top MNCs full preparation materials. Okay, so please have that and grab the opportunity to any MNC, any product based company or any service based company. So I hope you will do so. So thank you.